Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left of your screen to open the settings modal. Scroll down to the Multi-Factor Authentication section and click the Setup button to open the authentication options. Click Enable Authenticator app and a modal appears with a QR code and a setup key you can copy to connect your Authenticator app. You'll need an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy installed on your phone before you start this process. Once you've scanned the QR code or entered the setup key, your app will generate a 6-digit code. Type that code into the verification box and click Activate to finish enabling two-factor authentication. Discord will then show you a set of backup codes. Download and save those somewhere safe, because you'll need them to regain access if you ever lose your Authenticator device. After that, two-factor authentication is active, and you'll be prompted for a code from your app every time you sign in. And that's how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.